Next, we continue with characteristics of big data. The next thing is in four V's of the big data. The four V is in volume, velocity, and variety and veracity. The four V's in the first V is in volume. It is in data at rest. The velocity is in data in motion. The variety is a data in many forms, and veracity is a data in doubt. The five V's of big data is in to get better the understanding of the what big data is in often to describe using the five V's are the value, variety, veracity, and value velocity. The validating against the hype the original fitness. The four V's of the volume is a data at rest the terabyte to hexabyte of existing data to process. The velocity is a data in motion, the streaming data milliseconds to seconds to respond. The variety is data in many forms or structured, unstructured text and multimedia. And veracity is a data in doubt, uncertainly due to the data is inconsistency and incompleteness, ambiguous of latency, uh, 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 latency deception model of the approximation. Uh, the validating against the hype the original fitness, even as the existment around big data analytics reach the fevered pitch, it remains a technology driven activity. A number of factors that need to consider the before making a decision regarding adopting the technology, but all the those factors need to taken into the consideration. It just because a big data is the feasible within the organization, it does not necessarily uh, mean that it is the responsible. The useless there are clear the process unless there are clear processes for determining the value of preposition. There is a risk that it will remain a fad until hits is the disappointment phase of the hype cycle. At the point, hopes may be dashed when it's become clear that the basis for the investment in the technology was not grounded in uh, grounded in expectation for the clear business improvement. Uh, as a way to properly ground any initiative around the big data, one initial task would be to evaluate the organization fitness as the combination of the five factors. One is in feasibility, reasonability, value, integrability, and sustainability. and the same sample framework for the determining the score for the each for these factors ranging is in 0 to 4. The resulting scores can be reviewed. Each of this variable is for the most part of somewhat substantive, but there are ways to introducing the degree of objectively, especially when the considering the value of the big data.